Her life, because of Tina Chin, was in danger. Absolutely. She came out here and she told y'all she gonna make sure that y'all can't stand her voice. But everybody is not built for the game. You understand what that means?
No weapon that is formed against me will never prosper.
It was a very epic kind of a truth that come out. You understand? So we definitely want to say big up to Kingston 13. Now, when I see Kingston 13 doing what she is doing at this hour, do not question. I try to interrupt. Look here, Tina Chin, listen to me. Warning: if you come out here and you try to interrupt absolutely anything that having to do with truth, you know, ever since I've been out here, that's what I've been on, Tina. I done told you about these games that you're playing. This is why I don't get along with you, and you know it, and your spirit just don't get along with me, but I'm not worried about it. Do not come out here and act like you're going to use Kingston 13 foot. Nothing at all. Because you do a lot of things and be forgetting. They can't escape this at all. And I'm going to be right there being quiet because I know how this man work. And every time she come out here with the truth, Tina, do not. Because you know you sent that woman that live in Curacao. To watch Kingston 13. What's her name? But you understand this, and I'm serious. This morning, I will re-expose this woman and hold you down to it. You better get down, lay down, and take it. $0, 0 cent. In my mind, you need to understand what's going on, Tina. Because also that businesswoman, that same one, you know, she's a so-called businesswoman over there. And you was grinding off of what she was saying as a businesswoman in Curacao. And this is how you was getting information, and you was waiting for somebody to snap a picture. So you better understand this. Nobody ain't playing with you. I understand that you think you free for the last 10 years, right? Well, in the spirit, you are not free. You are a damn slave. Understand that you will not get away with it. You know, Tina, you know that same woman, you know. You remember her? When you felt like you have something because you have people everywhere and everything. You was playing that woman to the left. I hope she see and I hope she understand. Because I know a lot of people this morning, they're going to be talking about this epic truth that happened. And I know a lot of people are going to be saying and downplaying certain things. Please do not interrupt with how the Lord is moving and how He's working overall. Can y'all do that? Wickedness is wickedness. Back away from it. If you ain't had no idea about it, time to learn. I don't have to ask y'all, did y'all hear that? I'm just here to put a little bit of icing on it. When honestly people are talking about certain things, please understand that it is a scenery behind a scenery on a year. I've always said these things, but I'm telling you, you know, just like I told your friend Tina, that woman over there, Kingston 13, nobody ain't seen her show her face and put on makeup. She left people to their imagination on some real stuff. Now, y'all done exposed yourselves already. Everything is just a replay. I done told y'all, get out the detour. If you don't understand us, you gonna get hit. Trying enough up on herself for them nasty people. Let her do you. Picture somebody finally catch you. Then I'll stand right there. And if I feel like if it's a face out, I'm going to kick you back in it with truth. And so she could have her way. You need to be stopped. Enough is enough. You know, if I hear it and I'm not even saying nothing about it, I'm just, because it's epic, let it run. I'll say nothing, but I say this just to let you know I should just call this lady name, you know, and it's no disrespect at all. Frederica Williamson, how do you feel? You look better than your friend. I know you know better. Don't you argue with me. Don't you come up here when you hear your name and be judging me. You need to sit your ass down and just go on about your business. And go teach your friend. By the looks of you, you always got something to say. Don't you have nothing to say on this moment here? And people like Una just can't just live in a peace and just go on. You are a gaslighter. I'm just calling you out, sweetie. Because I know you and some of you is going to feel some type of way when I say these things. But I'm not an idiot. No. Better not try to attack that woman while she come out here with the truth. It's well needed. And let it pour out. Don't talk, else I'm going to start judging you. Act according to how you want to look. The type of people that you're afraid of, even when they have something and stand on truth, you're afraid of them. Tina Chin, don't you creep out here tomorrow morning with the bullshit, or this morning here. And I already had said, anything that link up to here on what's going on, way ahead of my time, I'm always going to celebrate it. Because it's needed. They need to see what's going on. Didn't you and your venom, Tina? Oh, a lot of people ain't gonna like this. Oh well, y'all should have known. There's a lot with me. Though a lot of yous are in shock. Don't be in shock, babies. 1,000 can't tell a lie on one. Do the math. Y'all have, what y'all call it? Y'all want to call it anything y'all want to. Well, for the people. Just in this realm, evidence on top of evidence on top of evidence on top of evidence. What more do y'all need? Now it's time. It's going to be a time where it's after these drunkard spirit. Then it's going to be the people who are always pushing up themselves with no logical reason. Always in their comments trying to help them to destroy themselves while they disrespect others and have plans on others. So of course, if the Lord know that it was like this, don't you think somebody was going to play the same game to slap you back in your face? It's time for a change, Tina. And because you have good people around, that's why the people that was tuned into Kingston 13. Do you not understand? Look messy in the eyes of messy people because them never want so much to come out. Yes, everybody. I hope y'all understand that Tina Chin, while y'all seeing this woman acting out in truth, she tried to set that woman up. I come out here and I said something about it. I don't know if everybody was asleep or they had something else going on. See, all of these things I had to pull, you know, to keep them. I know all the names of drunkard spirits and bad mind spirits. The gaslighters and all. They come here. And so them come, I box them way. Tina Chin, you know good and well you ain't need no manager. You're too wicked for a manager. You need a handler. I keep telling you this. So I know your little plans and how you're going to come out and all these things. So roadblock. Forget about it. Remember when you was fasting with her. Oh, she have her sore foot and blah, blah, blah. I tell you a couple things. When nobody wasn't looking, and this morning, I'm serious now. She is going to have her way. Her life, because of Tina Chin, was in danger. Absolutely. She came out here and she told y'all. But you know something? How she play you guys sometimes. All you truth seekers. The ones that are almost there or looking to get on that path. She gonna make sure that y'all can't stand her voice. But everybody is not built for the game. You understand what that means? Some people are trash people, but they make the same amount of money and even more. You have some people that work for Coca-Cola, Pepsi. And a lot of businesses that protect their employees' rights because of their freedom of speech. But you have done a lot. And I'm just letting it be known that done it. I don't know if you still cahoots with her. But I know this is a lesson for her over there. She had to come over here, Tina. You don't remember? And disrespect me, so-called. And then I had to come out and lay the hand of Jesus and the truth on her. And let her know. And like anything else, name come up, Tina Chin, rejoicing. Because the woman don't like this person and that person who lives in Carousel. And she was going to be the guinea pig for you. And to let you get all kind of information. Anything that you was, you know what I'm saying? Over there? Yeah, I got my people, I got my lineup. You need just me do, man. You wanted to make sure that you keep her business down and attend to your slackness for trying to bring down another woman who is Jamaican, Kingston 13, who lives where? Like she tell her, no, I didn't say it. In Carousel, no? Yeah. So just in case all you confused spirit that might have missed out the epic episode and all of these things, go back with a willing mind and an open mind to know that before all of this, that same woman that y'all heard, and it was very epic, Tina know, and I know. I don't know if nobody else know. My people, stop being a human shield for people that the Lord already know about their behavior. And He trying to corner them to put them back in that cage. Do not. Because she never feels sorry for done it. She did fool her. And I just want to let you know that Tina and anything y'all hear, go on with it. Don't second hand. She did not change her ways. That's why I'm out here. On the reason I'm out here. And for all who don't know, while I'm not using any kind of indecent languages, if y'all understand what the UGO mean, okay, then y'all will understand why I'm out here. That's why I don't take pay for none of this. And in the same token of y'all who like negativity and don't like what happened yesterday, and y'all can't understand, there you go. As well as everybody else. Before all of this, Tina Chinetta tried to set her up too. To get people to watch her. Like she need a body security. a watchdog. So if you make any kind of move, coffee with me this morning, look past and take that, yam that, eat that, and everything. Are you non-believer? Always believe that the Lord is good, you know. Yeah. Always. I can't even have a finally because it's always something else. Always remember, I tell you that. I rejoice in silence. That's why I'm telling the Auntie 13 there, big up yourself. That is a woman, you know. I never disrespected her, ever. Never come cross to, ever, ask her. And I hear that one disrespecting her, and then the other one. That's why I made the reel I made. Just so people could stretch their mind. Because anybody who overdo themselves in front of the camera and everything like that, you can't talk to nobody who you ain't never see do it. You got to worry about that wow moment. Wow. So anything you're going to talk up, Tina, while important things need left to be done, because you want it that way. And only wear your ear. Before that, you get people to watch the woman. That's invading someone's privacy while you live over here in the United States and using people that is in Curacao. Reason why I'm speaking, because I know this person. I did a live. Don't underestimate. Ask and you shall receive. I'm just putting a little bit of icing on the cake, because epic moments like those have to go on for the non-believers and the ones that just picking up the phone and not wanting to do their research. They could take all that they heard yesterday and make something of it. Nobody ain't lying, man. This dividing. And I like it, really. Because guess what? Truth. How does it spell? Hey, my sweet niece. How you doing, darling? Good morning, sweetie. Yeah. I done told y'all about this overdoing the gas in your car. How much more you gonna put in there? Go on, Tina. Say what you gotta say, but skip over. Get down. You get down or lay down. This is no cult talk. This is enough is enough. And everybody heard it. We the people heard it. No more of you. Your little saba bullshit's not gonna work. No more. And you know I'm always have a problem when things are connected. And then you hear it again like, oh my God. Epic. What more do we need? Do we need someone like that in this here diaspora? Every business place around should be worried about an individual like Tina Chin. Here you go. I'll swipe my card. Marion Walters. Don't come out. You can do whatever you want. No one is stopping you. But I dare you to even say, ugh. When I know, because I have to set myself free. And I know about that woman because she came where? She came here. And I had to size her up and let her know what she looked like. And my sister told me don't do that shit no more. Don't say it no more. I understand why. Can't tell you, but it's a beauty behind it. So you're going to get down and you're going to lay down on this here truth. Because you're a criminal that have not changed your ways. And you want everybody to be in the back of you. When all these women know how to say hello, but keep it focused, you know. Yeah, man. You're too wicked. Before a company ever pick up to work with you, they better understand you and have a rehabilitation kind of something going on in that club somewhere. I will not allow you to come out here and try. I know the first time I said things like this, so y'all know I'm very comfortable, right? This is early morning. You see what time it is? I have the right to be up. I'm not like them who can't sleep at night, honey. And I have a logical reason behind why I stand up the way I do. And it makes me sick, Tina. Because all in all, and you know that's why you don't like me, because I stand up to exactly what those two horns in your face and what you are part of and what you want. And it won't work